Hey everyone, we're out here in Half Moon Bay, Auckland at the big landscaping job, and just wanted to show you the fence here that we finished off. It was a big job, but we've got it all done. Amazing views, as you can see, at this property. But yeah, I'll walk you through the fence and show you around. So this clip now is the process of us installing the fence. If you wanted to see the finished fence, then just skip to 10:47. Otherwise, if you were keen to see the process, then just keep watching. So this was a pretty difficult site to work on, just with the slope of the ground and the different angles we had to do the fence with. And the first thing to do was to mark out the holes for the fence posts, and then we could at least run a string line along one section, as you saw earlier, for a straight section of fence. So after we dug the holes, I started on cutting the timber, which we're going to run underneath each of the fence panels. The customer was just wanting something more natural rather than just putting in the aluminium fence. It made it a bit more tricky because we had to cut all these to size and then also sit the timber underneath the fence panels. And while I was working on the timber, my right hand man Charles was getting all the fence posts ready, attaching all the brackets, and then we could start on setting some posts and the timber and getting some fence panels in. Obviously, as we're working, we're having to set all of these posts level and then make sure that they're in line with the timber underneath, and make sure that the drop's going to work in terms of the ground level. Sometimes we had to clear away the ground so that the timber was sitting level, sometimes we had to raise it. So yeah, it was pretty tricky, but ended up working out really well once we figured out a good rhythm and a good way to do things. So starting from this side, just put in 2 gates on either side so the customer can access the back side here. We've put some pull latches on for the entrance, and then back here we've got some weed mat and mulch and planted some lamandra just to tidy it up. But yeah, it was pretty tricky doing this fence. They wanted some timber underneath the fence, so we had to cut that to length. But anyway, I'll stop talking and yeah, let the video do the work. This is a nice straight stretch of fence that we were able to do here once we'd finished off all these awkward angles and different levels, and then we could at least run it straight and just lift the fence as we went. We're working on at the moment, the terraces, ready lawn either side, and then going to be some pavers where that turf is. Anyway, and then again on this side, we've got a little pull gate with the pull latch. Open that up. And the other day I just extended this fence into here so that there's no access to get back behind there, because that is a very big drop off. Anyway, another look at the fence and the view. So yeah, all worked out really well. Hope you enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for more landscaping and garden jobs and some more work from this property. Cheers.